Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. If you've been following the channel, you likely know we do a fair amount of work on two Jeep Wranglers. Link to the Jeep Wrangler Things playlist is in the description below. This job, however, was over our heads. We had a leak in the cooling system. Periodically, I'd fill the radiator with a quart of water so the engine wouldn't overheat. We inspected the radiator, all the hoses, and the water pump, but we were unable to identify the problem until we took the Jeep to Sun Devil Auto in Scottsdale. They're awesome. Meet Logan, rock star. In addition to being wicked knowledgeable and capable, he allowed us to ask many questions and learn from him while he was working. The problem was leaking engine expansion plugs. Actually, they were rusted through. They're also known as freeze plugs.
Yep. So these are the old pitted freeze plugs.
Yeah, is that where it was? Oh, yeah, I see. So it was leaking through there.
Leaking through the bottom and down into that. You have the coolant running down the side of the block and everything.
So this is a really big job due to the engine access, appropriate tools, and just overall know-how. The net, we had to bench the engine, which is a wicked scary proposition for us at the Suburbanstead. But the Sun Devil Auto team, especially Logan, eased our anxiety.
This is a pressure plate. The whole assembly is a pressure plate.
So we replaced that already, probably because I ground it.
Yep. Yeah, we recommend replacing them every time you do a clutch. You usually just do the whole clutch kit, which comes with this pressure plate, the clutch itself. These Jeeps are pretty finicky with the flywheels, but you're not having any issues with it. They must have machined it right. So pretty much the way that your clutch system works is you have your master cylinder up here. It's attached to your clutch pedal. When you push the pedal, it pushes the cylinder into your supplies fluid to the system, and it pushes on this throwout bearing. This is what shifts in and out and pushes against that pressure plate that's over there. This shaft, a lot of times, as you can see, it's got a lot of crud built up and that kind of stuff from a rear main seal leaking. All this oil and build up down here is from a rear main seal slinging oil around in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a little bit of emery cloth, clean up that shaft, and put some grease on it. Nice. It'll make the clutch pedal feel a lot better. It won't be so stiff. Tend to crack. You can see that rubber is even starting to come out, and that'll separate this whole outer ring away from this center ring.
So that you're replacing, you've already got the part in?
Yep, I have it laying around here somewhere.
And what's that called again?
It's a harmonic balancer or crank pulley. So.
If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click the subscribe button so I can see you on the next episode. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.